I was in college, I attended Bharat Dhabolkar's creativity workshop. Now, Bharat Dhabolkar was a great ad guru, the genius brain behind Amul ads, the utterly butterly delicious. That tagline was given by him. Even the Amul girl was created by him. In that workshop, he taught a technique to get creative ideas whenever you want. So it's not that, whenever I'm feeling very creative, that time only I'll get ideas. No, on demand, you can get very creative ideas. That day, from that workshop, everybody went with that technique. But what I learned was that it's all about techniques. There's no such thing as I'm a very creative person or this person is a born creative person. If you know the technique, you can also be creative. From that day onwards, I started focusing on techniques. I researched, found the best techniques possible, and also created my own techniques which give result every time you apply them. It's not just that I have very powerful speeches. Even my mentees, all of them have very powerful speeches. Why? Because we are applying the techniques. Our foundation is very solid. And so any one of you who knows those techniques and who applies those techniques can be a very powerful speaker.